Hey guys, this is Ruby and I ordered another lamp. The same with what I unboxed a week ago. I like it and it goes well with my decor. So there's my lamp that I need to match on the other side. I need to replace the shade of that lamp. We'll install it together, right? That goes in that corner next to the window. And I ordered this what do you call this, heart. The instruction, gold. Two choices of this. I think this is what they call finial. It's the lamp that I'm going to set up, install. It's really beautiful. I'll remove this. Pardon my mess, I'm still putting my Christmas stuff away. There you go. Shade is, I bought this in Target and different style. See that? Well, my new shade is, they call it spider. See, this is the top part. That's what they call spider shade. And well, this one is going down. It's not at the top. See that? So we'll install it. I will remove this bottom part. See that? Use this instead, and we'll try to put it together. Yeah, just like that. If it works, okay? So we move this in a different table because I don't want to break my glass. But I think it's locked here. See that? And we will do the same on this side. Do I need to tighten it? I don't even need to tighten it. I think that's just need to hold it. See? That's why I don't need this anymore. Just use my original one. We'll remove this. And we'll put our shade, okay? So there's my shade. We'll just put that like that. There you go. That's easy. And we'll just put the finial. I think this is what finial is. And lock it there. What do you think? Looks easy, right? So spider is a lot easier. And it's tight and it's stable. Let's move my lamp back to its position. I need to spray paint this by springtime, but it really looks good. And voila, it's perfect there, right? So there you go. Now it matches with my navy couch. Looks good together, right? That's it for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Looks good together.